Geotechnical Engineering Part A, Soil Mechanics Session 11, Chapter 3, Weight-Volume Relationship. In this example, we have a 451 grams of a dry sample soil, which is protected or isolated in 9 grams of paraffin, and then its volume, and then so we have a sample of dry soil. This is our dry soil sample. Then we just protect it with a layer of paraffin, then located inside the waters. Then the volume of water increases by the amount of 300 centimeter cubed. Mhm. So if we isolate it with a layer of paraffin, then put it inside the water sample, then the increase in the water height is or volume is by 300 centimeter cube. So we have an increase. Then if the specific gravity GS of soil sample is equal to 2.65, provided to be 2 points, and a specific weight is just weight based on a specific unit weight. Gamma times GS times gamma W, for example, is a specific weight of water, and likewise for soil. Mhm. And a specific weight of paraffin is 0.9 gram per centimeter cube. Then we want to calculate what void ratio and what the porosity is. So void ratio is E and porosity is N. E void ratio in a soil sample is volume of void to volume of soil itself, and porosity for by definition is the volume of void to volume of total. So we can have a void ratio bigger than 1. E can be higher than 1 due to the fact that volume of void can be higher than, for example, volume of soil, but volume of void never can be exceed from the total volume. Mhm. So let's attempt our problem. So to solve the problem, first of all, we have for the solid part, we have a Vs, volume of solid, plus volume of the protected layer, which is the paraffin around it, plus the volume of void, which is the other section of the volume. All together are going to be 300, because when we put the isolated layer of paraffin around our soil sample, it just gives us a rise of delta V 300 centimeter cubes. So we just induce that the total volume is equal to, and that total volume is nothing but volume of soil, volume of paraffin, plus volume of void. So if that is equal to 300, and at the same time gamma is W, weight is gamma times V, so weight of paraffin is equal to gamma P times Vp. And likewise weight of soil is equal to gamma soil times volume of soil. And if we just rewrite the equation based off volume, we can get the volume of paraffin provided to 9 over the specific weight of paraffin. Mhm, is 0.9. So that's 10.10 gram, and likewise for soil 451 over GS, that's 2.65, gives us a weight of paraffin 10 gram and weight of soil is 100. If we plug these two parts in the first equation, we have a summation of 180 plus volume V is equal to 300. So volume of void is just simply 120. So, and at the same time, gamma W is 1 gram per centimeter cubed. Mhm. So if we replace the numeric value of them in a main formula, it just gives us a Vs plus Vp is equal to uh, plus Vv is equal to 300. So that gives us a 170 plus 10 plus Vv is equal to 300. Mhm. And then volume of void is 120 centimeter cubed. Likewise, then if we just replace the numeric value of volume of void in E equation and N equation, VV over VS is just simply 120 over 170, and that's 0.705. And for porosity, that's void ratio, and the below one is porosity of soil sample. E over, as soon as we have void ratio, we can calculate they have a mutual interrelation with each other. So that's 0.705 over 1.705, and that gives us a 0.41 for porosity of soil. Once more, E is zero point 0.7 almost, and N is 0.41. And it just gives us E always. E is higher than N. Mhm. And at the same time, E can be more than 1, but N is all the time less than 1 in numeric value. Thank you.